So here's our 2014 Chevy Cruze diesel. This one does have a salvage title due to a light front end accident. Honestly, I can't really remember what was replaced and what wasn't. But what I can tell you, I mean, this here is the original hood. Obviously, it's still got the stickers on it. I know the front bumper cover was replaced. I believe this headlight here was replaced, and this fender. I believe that's all that was replaced on it. I know the hood is original. I know there was no frame damage whatsoever. There was no damage on the doors whatsoever, or roof or undercarriage, no suspension damage, and no engine damage. Here, the engine's running just fine. Hood shuts great. Of course, as you can see, the gaps are perfectly great. All the paintwork was done by our local GM dealership, as always. There's no flaws in the paint at all anywhere. This car is extremely low miles. I don't know how well the picture shows up here, or the color shows up on the video, but this is actually kind of a dark green, kind of like a Hunter dark forest green. Nice and clean inside. Go ahead and shut her off, open up the door. And I'm just going to throw my seatbelt on now while I can. I'm only seeing one key in the vehicle, so we only have one key. It does have remote start. Go ahead and start her up. And I'll keep one hand right up here. Of course, my other one's holding our camera just so you can see we're not trying to clear any check engine lights on you. The only one is this one here telling the Cruze. I flick that off. That was just saying the Cruze was on. As you can see, currently there's 17,841 miles on it. Here we do have heated seats, of course, obviously our climate control, our radio.
Save on these deals and more.
Everything works just fine.
Annual BOGO sale. At Discover, we believe anniversaries should be a time
sorry.
of celebration.
Turn that down. There we go. I would have to double check, but I'm 99% sure no airbags deployed in this vehicle whatsoever. We did just build 3 of these diesel Cruzes, and I believe, I'm pretty positive, only one of them had deployed airbags, and it was not this one here. Go ahead and get out of the sun. This one did come from Minnesota here. Picked it up right from the insurance company. And honestly, it had about 14 or 15,000 miles on it when we first got it. So we've driven it about 3,000 miles already since the repairs. It gets really great gas mileage, so I believe my partner that's been driving it as kind of a demo vehicle has been claiming right around 50 miles per gallon. Everything works, runs and drives like new. Tires have excellent tread. They're probably about, I would say, 80-90% tread life left. Of course, you know, it's kind of low miles there with 17,000 miles. So. There's no pulls, no shimmies or shakes or anything along those lines. I'll go ahead and turn the Cruze back on. See, I let go of the steering wheel. I'm not touching the steering wheel at all. We're still going straight down the road. The alignment's great. No issues whatsoever. Again, not touching the steering wheel. Still actually not touching the steering wheel. Cruises really well. And that's going to conclude our test drive video for the day. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Looks like we do have the owner's manual in here as well. I'm just going to look really quick. Sometimes we have the original window sticker, and I can show that to you. And in this case here, it appears that I do not have the original window sticker for this vehicle. Looks like we've got everything but the original window sticker. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. Thank you very much, and have a good day.